Fuck you.
Wait.
This is a sweaty one, bro. Just the names.
Oh, wow.
I mean, I see a bunch of smiley faces and shit. I feel like I'm in a COD
Can't see
lobby.
in the fucking sun. There's two. God damn it.
Oh, we've been playing games for...
Is it? I don't know.
Oh, no, it's the fucking drone daddy. It's the drone daddy, dude.
Oh yeah, we gotta put the thing in here.
The
I got
data.
finals. I got
Are we lost without team,
We're
guys?
fucking so dumb. Holy...
I shot the back now. Fuck.
Yeah, that's where I got knocked.
Thanks, almost dead.
Yeah, we did the mission.
No.
Losing B.
Wait, Chad, take him.
Losing Alpha. We lost B.
Shit.
Underway on Bravo.
Enemy UAV detected.
This hip fire ADS accuracy. There's this one, yeah. I gotta sneeze. Chad,
Why do you
take
think
him.
all of the sweats play hardpoint only?
I can try to get a nuke here.
Securing Alpha.
Impressive.
Yeah.
You haven't really skipped a beat either.
I'm just out here raw dogging. You know?
If I were quitting caffeine or like nicotine, bro, I don't think I could stream for like a.
Got him.
I need somebody to pick up. Oh shit! I don't know where they're gonna come from.
I just spawned far.
Oh shit.
Yo, Mason, I'm muted. Start.
I think it's just there. Ow. Holy shit.
Nah, that just looks like hard cut.
Hardpoint active.
I don't know if this is the map for this sub.
And get your channel point. Oh, it's closed.
Okay, so you got perk greed on.
Yeah.
Lightweight.
No stuns, no nades.
No stuns, no nades. I mean, fucking run it.
Good.
What? We're hammered?
That
Yeah,
1v1.
I literally told you to stop opening the spawn so I could rip the pen.
You guys want to enter down there?
Flare here.
Let's go PvP. Let's go PvP.
Only a couple? You're gonna assume it's a duo?
Well,
You only saw us
being
for,
that confident it's a duo was weird. Try to sneeze.
UAVs are so good. Holy shit. Top left.
Knocked that guy there. Headshot him once. He's 25 HP.
I gotta sneeze, shit. Oh shit.
I used those the first time. I'm just trying out the side door here. Just like, he's going here.
Dude, come on, man.
He's running out. We're fighting on the backside of it. I mean,
What the
we didn't
fuck?
see anything, but like I got level 7, it was frying.
He was frying.
Bro, he was cooking. Like, if he was a normal level, it'd be whatever. Like, it wasn't that crazy, but level
Yeah.
6.
Almost broke
Sneeze,
two.
shit.
That guy, no plates. That guy's knocked. Middle guy. Right
Oh
guy,
my God.
almost cracked fighting right.
I see ya. Back to the lobby, buddy.
Maeve.
Yeah?
Come here.
Where are you?
Come here.
I'm not
I'll
even
show
near
you
you, bro.
something. Come on, hurry up.
I'm coming. I'm pretty far, dude. I'll try to come faster. All I have is sub. Just
Tag 70, 100.
33 rage.
all I have is sub. Just
Oh, yeah,
rockets,
same.
bro. Top left corner.
On. Sorry, Matt. Shit. I have to. Holy shit.
God bless. God bless.
Bless you.
Thank you. Oh shit.
That guy pulled out the tank like, boys, I got this. My rockets plus
I gotta
RPGs.
sneeze.
I was spraying that thing.
That's like golf course. Eh?
Oh my god, I've got the hiccups. I'm sneezing. Jesus. Yo, team, I got bad news.
What's that?
It's